It is very painful to find out how some new YouTubers we have 100 subscribers for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. The 100 subscribers will just be there. And as an upcoming content creator, I noticed these things. And I won't lie to you, the feeling is not good at all. It is very painful. And then you keep on uploading this way, upload your videos like this, upload your videos this other way, and the things are not working. You will feel as if your efforts are not improving at all. There is something I want to tell you, but before I tell you, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment if this is a video you would like to watch. And let me tell you the things you need to do. So the first thing you need to do is to stop comparing. Don't compare your channel to another person's channel. When you compare, it will look as if you're not doing anything, you're not improving your channel at all. You're not doing anything in your YouTube channel. So I take myself as an example. For some time, I've been posting videos, although I have this channel created 2021, but I've not been posting in this channel. But since this year, January, I started posting. Although last year, December, I've been posting like short, but this year, January, I started posting videos and I was having only 12 subscribers. Then, when I watched someone's video, so I followed her advice and everything. You understand that she's saying on her own YouTube channel, and with God made it possible, my 12 subscribers grew from 12 to 38. So that is me growing because I did not compare my channel with anybody's channel. I just said to myself, oh, if I should take this advice like this, it will work for me. I believed in it and then I put in the necessary adjustment that I needed to do. Yes, some top content creators, some big YouTubers will come up to YouTube and start telling you, upload this way, upload that way, do these settings, don't do the settings, turn this off, turn this on. Who are you to follow? Who are you to listen to? So comparing your channel with their own will make you feel bad and it will look as if you are not doing anything in your YouTube channel. Like your YouTube channel is not growing at all. And that feeling is not even good. It's very painful. All right. I wanted to like compare myself to other YouTubers. Why is this person progressing? Me, I'm not progressing. Why is people having subscribers and their views are increasing? My own is just there like that. So I stopped comparing. I don't compare my channel to other people's channel. I just wait for it to grow and then I upload daily and do the necessary things and then wait for God to do his own. That is just it. So what am I trying to say? Comparison will demotivate you. Comparison will make you get tired. Comparison will make you to even give up on your YouTube channel. So stop comparing your channel to any other person's channel. You might dump your channel because you compare a whole lot. So comparing your channel to other channels will demotivate you. It will not allow you to grow. You might quit. You first of all think about quitting and then you quit. Because myself, for example, I thought about quitting. It came to my mind, just quit this channel. Your channel is not growing, your channel is not doing anything, your channel is not even improving. What the hell are you doing here? This place is not for you. But I said to myself, I will not compare because I have a goal, which is to grow my YouTube channel and then wait for it to pick up. And let me tell you guys, my watch hours was just, I think 10, but now it has increased a lot. It has really increased a lot because I stopped comparing. So comparison will not help you to grow. Comparison will discourage you. Comparison will confuse you, and comparison will demotivate you. And you don't want to like have that kind of feeling while growing your channel as a YouTuber. So another way of comparing can be good too, but compare with yourself. What how was my yesterday like? How is my today like? You compare the two. You're comparing within yourself. Check out the things that happened to you last year and check out the things that is happening to you this year, and then you compare. That is the good comparison, not comparing your channel with other channels. I don't know if you understand the gist. So if you want to compare yourself with others, it is a good stuff in another perspective. Like, let it not make you demotivate. let it not demotivate you, but instead let it motivate you. So for me, in conclusion, for me, I will not compare myself to others because it will demotivate me. So I will not advise you to compare yourself to others. Instead, compare yourself with yourself and look out for the things that you're going to improve, the things you're not doing before, and right now you're going to be doing them. So compare yourself with yourself. I think that should be a good feeling for you. So assuming I did not watch my um biggest motivators, which is, let me just say her name out, Creative Kale, she's my biggest motivator. So assuming I did not watch her videos and decided to work on the things I wasn't doing before, because as at that time I was not even uploading daily. But watching her video, she thought about how to upload daily. Posting daily helped her a lot. All right. So I started posting daily in this year, January, and it has helped me a lot. I'm seeing good results. All right. Assuming I did not watch her videos and then gotten inspired for what she said, I wouldn't have been here today. So with the little tips I've been dropping on my channel, on all the tutorials I've been giving, go through them and then apply them. And I believe that you will make it. We will all make it yet here in this YouTube platform. So optimize the necessary tools that you need to do and optimize every little settings, okay? And my prayer for you all and myself, that we are all going to make it. You will make it, I will make it, we all will make it, okay? So if this video was helpful to you, please subscribe, like, share, and comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.